Hey there, welcome back to. Today, we're kicking off our journey to a healthier lifestyle with a burst of energy. We're diving into 7 healthy breakfast ideas for a fresh start. If you're ready to transform your mornings and boost your day, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's get started. First up, we have the Energizing smoothie bowl. This not only looks amazing, but tastes incredible. Packed with antioxidants, it's the perfect way to jumpstart your day. Let's dive right in. For those looking for a protein boost, check out our protein-packed oatmeal. It's easy to make and keeps you full for hours. Plus, I'll share a secret ingredient that makes it extra delicious. You've heard of avocado toast, but we're adding a twist that'll leave your taste buds dancing. Say hello to avocado toast with a twist. It's quick, it's tasty, and it's oh so healthy. For a touch of elegance in your breakfast routine, try the Greek yogurt parfait. It's not just a breakfast, it's a work of art. Let's layer it up. Now, who doesn't love a breakfast burrito? Our Veggie-Filled breakfast burrito is a flavor explosion, and it's guilt-free. You'll want this in your morning rotation. For a simple yet nutritious option, we've got homemade nut butter on whole grain toast. It's all about quality ingredients and a little bit of love. And to wrap it up, we have the classic fruit salad. Sometimes simplicity is key. We're taking a medley of fresh fruits and turning them into a rainbow of flavor. And there you have it, folks. 7 healthy breakfast ideas that'll give your mornings a fresh, healthy, and delicious start. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and share your thoughts in the comments. What's